Hey everyone, I'm Emily Engel with Core 77,
And I'm Matt with Umay Care.
and we're here today at CES in Las Vegas to talk about Umay's product, Umay Rest, which is this really cool eye device that helps you sleep using thermo technologies. So tell us a little bit about the company and how you guys started and what's your mission.
So Umay was founded in about 2014 when our founder, Ali, was diagnosed with digital eye strain. And what happens with digital eye strain is that we're spending way too much time on computers and smartphones. And what happens when we're on those screens, we blink up to 70% less. When we blink, it does a very important function. We may not really think about it that much, but every single time we blink, a small globule of oil is secreted onto our eye. And it sounds weird, but it's actually a really important thing. So underneath the oil layer of our eye, there's a salty layer. And if there isn't enough oil, our eyes start to feel itchy or scratchy or dry or watery, and it just doesn't feel very comfortable. And what we need to do with oil to make it less viscous and coat our eye better is just to apply a little bit of heat. So we have this device here. You simply push one button to turn it on, another one to start treatment, and the device will warm up to the exact temperature that's required for the thermal therapy. Heat will then transfer onto the eye and help warm up those oils that will better coat our eye and just give you that really nice, happy feeling in your eyes.
So I'm also really curious to hear about your material usage and why you chose certain materials for the purpose of this.
We designed it under very strict guidelines to meet medical device standards. And part of that, it has a lot of guidance and discipline around material selection. So we ended up having the treatment surface here is aluminum. And aluminum has a very high biocompatibility. So it can be used, it can be sterilized, it can be cleaned. And it's also really good at transferring heat, which is very important for a thermal therapy device. The second part of the device is the plastics. So we need to find a plastic that has very high chemical resistance. So if you have makeup on or any kind of perfume or anything like that, we can't have that damaging the product because we want this to last for at least 3 years for the consumer. So we want them to be happy with it for the whole time. So we have to be very cautious about the types of materials we pick to make sure that it's going to be resistant and also be durable for the consumer.
So thanks again to Matt from Umay. Thank you for teaching us all about Umay Rest. And where can we get this awesome device if we want to sleep better and erase our horrible phone use?
Thank you. So at the start of CES, we launched this device on our website, so umay.care, and we're now taking pre-orders. So you can buy one of these devices for $279. If you refer 3 of your friends, we'll give you an additional $50 off that purchase price to thank you for the referrals.
Great. So again, I'm Emily with Core 77. Thanks for watching and happy CES.